Hey guys, it's me Alina. Welcome to my channel. So today I will be trying out some viral fashion TikTok hacks. So for the first hack, as you can see, she is using a shoelace. Now I tried with one shoelace, it was short, so I just tied two shoelace. Now as you can see, all you have to do is just loop it through your bra. Okay. And done. Now all you have to do is make crisscross. Okay, adjust it. And then you need to tie it at the back. So yeah, it looks very beautiful and very sexy. So yeah, as you can see, it is very wearable. Like you can actually do this style and go outside wearing this, no one will know. It looks very beautiful. So yeah, I'll give it a 10 on 10. Now for the next hack, as you can see, it is the same like the midriff lace thing, but it is little different. So for that I'm just taking one shoelace, one will be enough. Now all you have to do is divide in half and then put it on your button and then just put your button on. Now as you can see, it is secured. Now all you have to do is just adjust it, and yeah, and then all you have to do is just tie at the back. Yes. So yeah, I think this looks good as well, but not as good as the previous one, because the previous one looked very seamless and it looked like it was with your top only. But in this one you can like say that you just tied something onto like your jeans. So yeah, it looks good from the front, but yeah, I'm not sure if I can wear this out because it does look little sloppy and people can tell like you just tied something onto your jeans. So yeah, maybe I'll give like a 6 out of 10. So let's move on to the next one. For the next hack, again as you can see here, you need shoelace. Now I just joined two shoelace together because obviously you need longer one. And then she is using a camisole, but I do not have that, so I will be using this tank top. So let's see how it turned out. So yeah, so you need to place it here like this, and then this, and after that okay. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. Okay, I got this. Okay, and then you just have to pull the rope here at the back and tie it here at the back. I mean, yeah, it will look cute. I will be back after like changing the top. So this is how it looks without the top inside. Now from the front, as you can see, it looks very cute and you get little bit of ruching here. But from the back, it's very sexy, as you can see, and it is all over the internet. It's very sexy and very beautiful. Can you wear this outside? Absolutely yes. Like if you are good with knots, like you can totally rock this top. Now, will I wear this outside? Probably no, because I do not want to get all that stares. So yeah, maybe you can do this for photo and all. yeah, it's very secured, like you do not feel like it will come off anytime. But yeah, if you are good with knots, then you are good to go. So yeah, maybe I'll give this like 9 out of 10. In this hack, as you can see, she is taking like a tie-up shirt, and then instead of tying it here regularly, she is tying it through her bra. Now I have this shirt, this doesn't have any buttons, so I'm just securing it with a safety pin. Now I'll also do the same. Now as you can see, one end should go through your bra upside and one should go through your bra downside. So let's try. And once it is done, you just knot it here. So yeah, this is how it looks. I mean, as you can see, definitely looks lot more interesting and sexy instead of like tying it here regularly. So yeah, if you are bored with your regular tie-up shirt, then you can definitely do this style. It's very beautiful and it is totally wearable. Like you can definitely wear this outside as well, and it is very secure as well. So yeah, I'll give it like a 10 out of 10. In this hack, again, as you can see, it is a hack related to shirt. Now I just don't want to change my shirt, so I'm wearing the same shirt. Now as you can see here, she just button like two of her buttons from the shirt and then left rest open. I just used two safety pins, like you get it right. So after closing two buttons, all you have to do is just take all the fabric and then just roll everything and then just tuck it inside like this, and then it will look something like this. Now again, as you can see, it looks very beautiful, and like you cannot tell like you did a hack. It actually looks like a top. So yeah, so I'll give this maybe like an 8 out of 10, because as you can see, it looks very cute and beautiful. So yeah, so guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and take care.